Today we will be testing a new multi-time frame indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new multi-time frame indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 560 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a new multi-time frame indicator. And so my goal here on the channel has always been to try to identify some of the most profitable indicators and strategies that we come across. And in an attempt to do that, it has led me from one side of the internet to the other and down all kinds of rabbit holes of information. And here on the channel, we've shown you multiple different trading strategies through our testing, and even developed some indicators ourselves to be or help you become a profitable trader. But one thing always bothered me, and that was that it always seemed like anytime I used an indicator or used a particular strategy, I never truly understood what the market was doing or why. And of course, me being the curious one that I am and wanting to know the best indicators and strategies, I really wanted to understand why the market moves the way it does, which has led me to things like ICT or market maker models, etc. Before you start to kind of roll your eyes at the whole smart money concepts type ideas, some of you understand it and embrace it, and some others don't, and that's okay. We won't go into too much detail. But I will tell you that, like most things, there are some seeds of truth or some aspects of different philosophies that can be applied and very useful in trading. And one of those concepts that I think kind of holds a universal value is something called the fractal model by T-Trades. Now, of course, he didn't necessarily discover this idea. He just kind of made it popular. And without going into too much detail about it, because I don't think it's absolutely necessary, the takeaway here is that I took that model or the foundational idea of it and I created an indicator based off of that. And a very short version is that the fractal model tries to anticipate what price is going to do next by very specific candle patterns. And then you can take those very specific candle patterns or candles themselves that you have identified in with specific labels, and you can draw from a higher time frame to a lower time frame, hence the fractal model name to it, and you can use that to kind of align time and price and strategy, and use that to really excel whatever trading strategy you might be using. Now, of course, it's not a fix-all. If you're using a completely garbage strategy to start with, then it may not help you out much, or at least it may not allow it to get to profitability. But if you're using, say, a strategy that is even reasonable, or say even around break even, then in theory, this fractal model, this indicator that I created, should be able to allow you to kind of bump up the win rate enough to push that into profitability. If you're using an indicator or a strategy that already has some reasonably accurate or a reasonably accurate indicator or strategy that's kind of okay, then it should be able to take it kind of to that next step of being really good, or help to really refine the trading of a particular indicator or strategy. And so before this video gets too wildly long, let's go ahead and take a look at the new indicator that I've created. It is extremely simple. Again, you don't need to know the mechanics behind exactly what it is doing or looking for. Again, if you want to know, feel free to just look up the T-Trades fractal model. But essentially, what we have is we have a higher time frame candle being framed out. And that's in between these two faint lines, or the faint lines in general, each one framing out a particular higher time frame candle. And you can go into the settings and you can change whatever you want that higher time frame candle to be. The kind of lifeblood, the heart of this indicator or idea or strategy is these labels here. And these labels here are essentially identifying whether or not we have a bearish candle formation or a bullish candle formation. And staying true to the fractal model, we have the label that is marked as a C2 or a C3 candle. Again, that's not extremely important. Basically, you're just looking for whether it's a green label or a red label. And as long as there is a red label still in place, like here, that means that you should be looking for short trades. And as long as that red label is in place, even through another candle like this here, in theory, you should still be only looking for short trades. Now, again, it's not a perfect methodology, and so it's not always going to be 100% like no strategy or no indicator ever is. But again, you look for, say, a green label, you should be looking for only long trades. And you can see here that we get a green label, and then we get a start of another candle with no label. That means that it hasn't met any of the criteria to get a label associated with it, which means that you're still just looking for long trades until you get a new label. Sometimes you will have candles that have two labels in them like this. That's an indecision candle, and we'll talk about those here a little bit more in just a moment. Now, let's get into why this is so beneficial. Let's go ahead and bring up our flagship indicator. This is the Academy of Forex indicator here. Most of you who have been around for a while probably know of this indicator or have heard of the indicator. And so once we apply, again, an indicator that is already a decent indicator with the new fractal candles indicator, that's when it really does start to shine. And so in this particular case, again, once we get a particular kind of candle identified by the fractal candles indicator, we then use the Academy of Forex indicator to refine our entry. And so as long as we are within a bullish candle, then we are only looking for long trades from the Academy of Forex indicator. Anytime we are in a bearish candle, we are only looking for sell trades from the Academy of Forex indicator. Now let's take a look at an example of how exactly you would use this to enter into a trade. So what we have is first the fractal candles indicator has given us a red label. That means that we're only looking for short trades as long as this red label is intact. And what do we get right here? We get a sell tag from the Academy of Forex indicator. In this particular case, unlike before, we're not using any other specific parts of the Academy of Forex indicator. We're only looking for the sell tag like we get here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short trade. And so we will put our trade right here. And what we're going to do and why this is so powerful is that now it's going to allow us to balance out our risk to reward using the Academy of Forex indicator. Before, the risk to reward was kind of unbalanced, which means that the reward was less than the risk. And even though ultimately it was still able to maintain profitability, what I wanted to do was really add more value to the Academy of Forex indicator. And again, this allows us to create a better balance. And so what I'm going to do is once I enter into the trade or get the signal here, I'm going to place my trade right above the last kind of swing point. That's the normal setup for the Academy of Forex indicator. And now's where things change. What I'm going to do is I'm going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward. And so in this case, we would be right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out the halfway point or a 1 to 1 of that area. So basically right here is the midpoint. That's the 1 to 1. So what I'm going to do is when price comes down and hits the midpoint, the 1 to 1, I'm going to exit a partial position. I'm going to exit part of the trade, and then I'm going to move the stop to break even and let the rest run to see if we can achieve the 2 to 1 risk to reward on the rest of the trade. So let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Okay, pretty simple there. So you can see, let's just go ahead and play it just forward just a few more. There we go. So that way there's really no question. All right, so you see that pretty immediately we get this really nice push to the downside. We hit our first take profit zone at the 1 to 1, and then we would have let the rest ride as it comes down and would have hit the 1 to 2 risk reward with the rest of the trade. Now, if you come across a fractal higher time frame candle that has 2 labels to it, an indecision candle like this here, you can approach it 1 of 2 ways. You can either skip this candle and wait for a candle that has a clear defined bearish or bullish tag of its own, or you can take the first Academy of Forex indicator signal that you get. And in this particular case, we would have picked up another sell signal like so. In this particular case, we'd put our trade right here. We would put our stop just right above this pivot area. And again, we would target a 1 to 2 risk reward like so. And we would once again mark out exactly where the 1 to 1 risk to reward is right here. And so once again, we'll go ahead and play this forward here. And so you see, price comes up and gets really close to our stop right here, but doesn't quite stop us out. Let's go ahead and play this forward, and you can see that it smashes right through both the 1 to 1 and 1 to 2 profit targets within the same candle. And so you can start to see the power of aligning the higher time frame time and price and the lower time frame price and indicators to really supercharge your trading. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers because that's what really counts in this particular case. And so we have 2 sets of numbers here. So we'll pull this one over to the side here and we'll concentrate on this set of numbers here. And so you can see here on this 50 trade test, which is the kind of normal way we use the Academy of Forex indicator, had right at a 79% win rate, which is pretty average. And we had out of the 40 trades, a total gain right at $24,000. But on the losing side, because of the unbalanced risk to reward, the total loss would have been around $12,000, putting the total gain right around $12,000. So profitable, not horrible. But let's go ahead and look at the new setup here using just the one tweak of the fractal candles. So in this particular case, we had the 50 trade test. We had a 76% win rate, so a little bit less than the traditional. And in this particular case, the total gain would have been right at $22,800. And then now this is where it starts to shine. The losing side, the 12 losing trades, the total loss would have been right at $4,800. And so you can see definitely a far better risk to reward ratio here, which means that our total gain, even though we lost a little bit on the win rate, is now $18,000 instead of $12,000. And so far more sustainable, far more of a sustainable way to use the Academy of Forex indicator, and allows you to maintain the ability to kind of stay alive easier if there's any kind of drawdown that happens at any point in time, which there always is moments where you get a little bit more drawdown than you would really like. And so, and just to drive the nail home, the last little aspect of this that we'll take a look at, let's just go ahead and look at a very clear example of how well this indicator, the new fractal candles indicator, helps filter out the bad trades from the Academy of Forex indicator. And so you can see in this particular case how we have a series of green candles here. Now this one was a indecision candle. We had both the green and red tags, but in this particular case we could have taken the first buy trade, this particular one, and so you can see that we got a buy tag here, but then now you can see that we start to pick up these sell tags here, which you would have been shielded from in this particular case. And you can see how we get this string of sell tags during this whole uptrend push right here. And you can see how the only time that you would have been justified in taking a sell trade would have been right here during this one candle where it was showing that you could anticipate a bearish candle being formed. And would you know, as we picked up the sell tag right here, you can see that we would have indeed hit profitability on that trade right there. And then we would have went on to picking up more buy trades, one after another, almost every single one, I think, would have been profitable, while again sheltering you from some of these bad opposite trades. Now again, you're going to filter out some good ones with the bad ones, but the idea is to filter out way more of the bad trades and keep yourself protected and shielded from kind of market moving against you versus the good trades that you are accumulating along the way. And that is how you use two indicators together to filter each other out and lend more credibility to each other. And the best part is, once again, you can use this not only with the Academy of Forex indicator, but if you already have a set of strategies or even some of the strategies that we have tested here. I'm giving you a little sneak peek here as to some of the strategies that we have already shown you here that may have been just a little profitable. This indicator, the new fractal indicator, can really help boost the win rate of those. And so you don't necessarily need the Academy of Forex indicator to be profitable. It, as you've seen, is very helpful and really helps to streamline. But if you already have a strategy or an indicator that's doing kind of okay and you really want to supercharge it or just take your trading to the next step, then this is going to be the way you can do that. And to access the indicator, super simple. Just sign up for our Patreon down below. And once you sign up for our Patreon down below, you'll get access to our Discord, and you'll just go to the NQ indicator request and you will tag me at DP Roberts and you will ask for access to the fractal indicator, the fractal candles indicator, and you will be granted access. And as long as you keep your Patreon status intact, you will continue to have access to this super powerful indicator. And so I hope you guys really enjoyed this next step, this next evolution within the Academy of Forex and the next step with the Academy of Forex indicator. And I hope you guys can really see the value. I'm super excited about this indicator because I think it's super valuable and a really cool indicator to help you guys really excel in your trading journey. All right, that's it for this video here. It is probably way too long at this point, so we're going to go ahead and end it and move on to the next video from here.